Hey everyone, I'm here in one of the popular heritage cities in India. This is known as Pink City. I'm on a city tour. Let's explore Jaipur. Famous Mirza Ismail Road in Old City, you will find a lot of old shops established prior to Indian independence. One such shop is the famous Lassiwala, shop number 312. Walking tour of Jaipur with Apeksha Sharma. Love to start my every walk with the god, with a little bit of history of Jaipur, so you can just understand yes what is going on and why like Spain and why we got too much fried food. So I will give you all the answer between the walk. This is the oldest temple of Jaipur, built before the city came into existence. Do you know why Pink City called Pink City?
Pink in the pink.
Yeah, but
Color.
what is the reason behind it?
The royal family likes it.
The reason behind that, once in 1786, Prince Charles he came to Jaipur on his birthday. So that time the King Jaising II, who like pink the color of warmness, warm welcome. So he just covered all the Pink City, only outer walls, not the inside. This is Jai Shankar's Namkeen Bandar, selling traditional namkeens and snacks. This is Sahu's Tea, where Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Macron had their sip. Vendor sells traditional Gujarati delicacies in Chaura Rasta next to Gulab Chand Dairy. The Balaji Poha Bandar
sells the best authentic poha in Jaipur from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. daily at Chaura Rasta. This is Gulab Chand's Dairy. It is the only place in Jaipur that sells the special Kesar Pista butter and plain butter. This place is visited by a lot of celebrity chefs, master chefs, and tourists. This is Nattulal Kumawat's first and oldest pottery shop in Jaipur. This is Bawarlal Kesar Chand's famous sweet shop. He also allowed us inside his kitchen to see the live preparation of the famous sweet called Gaver.
Very slightly strong with the hand, and there is more water into it.
These are handmade lac jewelleries. Crimson red plant-sucking tiny insects colonize the branches of selected species of host trees and secrete a natural scarlet resin known as lac. The jewellery made of lac is most loved and popular among the Rajasthani people. This is Jaipur's robot restaurant. The food order is taken and cooked by humans but delivered to the table by a robot. This is the famous and oldest theatre called the Raj Mandir. This is the famous Babs Bazaar for textile shopping. everyone. I'm here in Jaipur. We are on a city walk in the night. I'm here with Apeksha Sharma. So she has been credited by Condé Nast Traveler magazine. She is one of the popular uh, travel curator and a storyteller who does a lot of walking tours. So let's enjoy Tawaif Nama today. So what is Tawaif Nama?
Okay. So basically, in Tawaf Nama is just a walk. It's in motion. I started this walk last year. It's a mujra. It's a type of classical Indian dance. We call it Kathak. So it's just a part of Kathak. So we are anyway going to upstairs and see that. Photographs are not allowed there, of course. So you can see their 10 movements, big movements, of course, but not the pieces.
Yeah, let's start. So generally this starts at 9:30 onwards.
No, we generally start at 8.
So let's go enjoy Tawaif Nama.
मतलब ये घुंघरू घुंघरू की बात है. एक घुंघरू अगर किसी तवायफ के पैर पे बन जाए तो वो बदनाम हो जाए.
Means this one.